Yesterday, November 9, 2022, on Politics Today, a program on Channels Television, the Minister of State for Labor and Productivity, I should say on productivity, Barrister Festus Keyamo, tried to pull the wool over the eyes of Nigerians by claiming that the 460,000 drug money forfeited by Bola Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress, was not drug money but tax. Listen to Barrister Festus Keyamo here.
The deposit he made there what they call, what these bankers normally call investments. He kept the money there and he was getting profit on the interest. They said he had not paid tax on those interests. That is all. And guess what? The banks are supposed to deduct the tax from source. I have done investments before.
That statement by Barrister Festus Keyamo is an insult to the intelligence of Nigerians. I mean, I just don't know who he expects to believe such trash. I schooled in England up to master's level. I've got a master's in law. In the United States, the agency taxed by the United States government to take all forfeited drug money is the IRS and the IRS alone. If you look at the screen right now, you're going to see from the IRS, irs.gov, and please, you can go there yourself. You're going to see a drug forfeiture judgment against a fellow. He is the cartel leader for the Sinaloa drug cartel. His name is Ismail Zambalda. And I'm going to read from that order. It says that he also agreed to forfeit $5 million. Now, that is exactly the same thing, word for word, with the statement in the Bola Tinubu court documents, except for the amount involved. While that guy, that this was in March 2021, agreed to forfeit $5 million, Bola Tinubu agreed to forfeit $460,000, and it wasn't tax. I mean, can tax be 100%? The entire amount in that account was seized, $460,000. How can that be taxed? So if you go, and please don't take my word for it, assume I am lying, go on Google, research it, find out how drug cartel leaders forfeit money to the US government. They always forfeit it to the IRS. It is not tax, it is drug money. Bola Tinubu is a known drug lord. And here is the risk to Nigerians of electing a known drug lord. First and foremost, the value of the naira is going to collapse because no respectable and responsible foreign direct investor or bank will want to deal with Nigeria if we have a known drug lord as our president. Also, our passport, our green passport, is going to be suspect automatically, just like what happened with Colombia, when you have a known drug lord as your president. I have said it. My name is Reno Omokri. Bola Tinubu is a known drug lord. I went to Chicago myself. I went there to investigate it, to find out if it was true, because I do not want to accuse an innocent man. That man is a known drug lord. And if Nigeria elects him as our president, it is going to make our country vulnerable. And we are going to suffer the results of it. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.